Right guys, AMC is bouncing a little bit. 3390s I'll be interested in, even slightly before. If it starts to reject, I will start slow. 3390s, 34s I will do few ads until 34s, and then 3410s will be the stop out. So that's the plan with it. I will start slowly on AMC short. So we got 3380s, 78s. I'm gonna start small 78s, guys. Just remember it's small. Ooh, nice. So there we go. That's our first. I really would have liked it to bounce 3390s for my another ad, but we'll see. Right, 3370s. I am gonna add here 3370s. Yep, 69s is fine. Okay, I got 69s. So I've added around 3360. So average is basically around 3374 with a stop 3390s. So about 15 cents stop still. You see that bounce every time it wants to push down, there's a bounce coming in. So that's a bit worrying for sure. Yeah, this is not good. This is not good. A lot of volume coming in. Yep, 3378. On the break of that, I'm gonna get out, guys. On the break of that, 3385s, I will get out of it. This is too strong. The way it's bounced off, it's kind of strong. I'm still in it though. On the break of this wick, I will get out. I feel like it wants to take that out, but if it doesn't, if it does continue, that's even better for shorts, because this bounce could have been the last gasp. So yeah, if it does fail off of this, then that could be just a fake bounce or dead cat bounce that don't last long. But it's clearly showing sign of strength, so yeah. Okay, what else do we have? There it goes, gonna take me out. I'm okay with that. I'm out. Yes, so that's about, I would say, less than 1 hour, but let's say 74s and then 84s, about 10 cents, guys. So I'm okay with that trade. I don't mind getting back in if it does produce some sort of a weakness. If there is a setup, I will take shorts again. I'm gonna try some 76s, guys. 75s. Yep. I have started small short 75s. Oh, there you go, instant reaction. Well, that's what I like to see. But this low needs to get taken out. Is still, I know that this is a choppy choppy stock at the moment, unless it breaks the lows. Alright, AMC is teasing us so much. Okay, alright. I should have said that before, AMC. Come on. Let's go. Alright, so we want that staying. There we go. That's a break. Okay, we want it to stay below that 33.30s. Okay, looking really good. Alright, now I want that 33 to get hit. 33s, if that gets hit, I will take some partial. I want to take some out anywhere here, guys. Yeah, 33.09s. Couldn't, I got 11s, but that's fine. 11s is a good one. I'm okay with that. I took half out, guys. 50% out on a 33.11s. Alright, come on, 84s, 82s, 80s. Alright, here we go, 75s are coming. Alright, the wash on 75s. Actually, I'm gonna take some out here, guys, 79s. I've taken some 79s out. I've only got like 25 left on the 25% left. And that 25% is going to be a trailing stop. So this is our loser. And this is our winner. If we close out everything right about now. And by the way, on this one, the risk, I think initial risk was 34. Yes, but this was the risk, right? Initial risk. But that's not so true. Depending on the price action here. Let's say, for example, we had some, this price action went in around VWAP and started to do that. I would have gotten out here. So, generally speaking, my average risk wouldn't be like all the way here. That's just the worst case scenario. So, it will look something like this. Probably. Right? So, you know, have a look at that. You know, you're risking 1 to, I don't know how much is that, Jay? I like freaking more than 5, 6, right? Let's just be conservative and say that's 5. I'm okay with that. Risking 1 to get 5. Yep, why not? That's what I see. So ideally you want to be right about here. 33.14s. 33.14s is our first partial as well, which is still, compared to our risk, is like 4 to 1 or something. So I have a trailing stop just over 33 here on the swing high of 25% position left. So if it does go down to 3240s, under 3240s, I will take everything off. That'll be a really good R. If I do take that out, we are looking at least about 6-7 Rs on this trade, which is great. So that's the plan. Now if it doesn't do that, the next plan on this is trailing stop. Any swing highs, I'll bring this down. But if it starts to break the 20 EMA and starts trading above it, then I'll get out manually as well. So I believe a worst case scenario, we already have 5R on it, but chance of this going to 7Rs might be there as well, around 3250s 40s. So that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna end the stream. I will see you guys next Monday.